Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a sporty 2012 Volkswagen GTI, stock number B9299A. Only 39,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, candy white in color. GTI is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety picks. Seats 5, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. No dents or dings in the body. It's obviously been very well maintained. This GTI has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Again, only 39,000 miles. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed manual transmission. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, along with direct iPod connectivity, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, power moonroof control. Under the hood, this GTI has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 200 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy as well. EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.